Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to set a custom background on your Windows 11 PC using your own photos. If you've ever wanted to personalize your desktop with images that truly reflect your style, first right-click on the Start icon on your taskbar. From the menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open the Windows Settings window. Next, in the Settings window, find and click on Personalization. Then, in the Personalization section, locate the background option, click on Browse Photos. After clicking Browse, navigate through your computer files and choose the image you want to set as your desktop background. Once you find your preferred photo, click on Choose Picture to apply it. Finally, your desktop will immediately update to show the selected image as your background. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.